Guys, this is huge. Check this out. So if you follow me for a little bit, you know my #1 recommended product for new streamers is this special microphone because it is the most helpful when it comes to audio. And if you think, no problem, I already have a microphone, wait, you definitely have to see this. And we're talking about the Wave microphone from El Gato. Now this currently, the one I'm using for my stream is the Wave 3, but it doesn't refer to the third version of the microphone. It actually refers to 3 little adjustments you can make with this knob. And the Wave 1 is the original microphone, the Wave mic by El Gato, a fantastic microphone. Does basically everything that this does right here, except the mute button is actually moved up here. It's on the top. On the Wave 1, it's moved to here, so you just tap that in to mute. And that's about it. Now let me show you why getting your hands on this Wave microphone by El Gato may be one of the best things you ever do for your stream. And then we're gonna talk about the price because something huge just happened for the price. So what you're looking at here is why I think this is the most important piece of my entire stream setup and why every new streamer should have a Wave microphone. Audio setup for a stream can be extremely difficult, and if you've never actually set up audio on a stream, just understand and take it from me, it is very complicated. Now, there are methods that use third-party software, that some use freeware, some use paid software. There's a lot of different ways you can kind of make things work. But let me just tell you, this is by far the easiest way to do it. And did I mention that this software comes free with any El Gato Wave microphone? And no, this is not sponsored by El Gato. I just really believe in their products and this software. Now let's talk about, as a streamer, the different audio sources that you're going to want to mix into your stream, such as a microphone, such as game audio, such as maybe background music, maybe sound effects, maybe browser audio or alert audio. Maybe you're in a party chat or a Discord chat and you want to have that audio included in your stream as well. You can see there's going to be a lot of different audio sources, and having each one work with each other and having to be able to control volumes on certain ones here and there and in different programs is extremely frustrating when you're in the middle of a stream. So the goal of this program is to alleviate all of that. And let's just go ahead and take a look here. So for this first channel here, we actually have 2 sliders. The left one is for what I'm hearing here in my headphones. And there's actually an aux right out of the back of your microphone, which you can plug headphones in and monitor the headphone mix. Now right here, I'm slightly hearing myself in the background, but if I don't want to hear myself at all, I do prefer to hear myself. If I don't want to hear myself at all, I can turn this all the way down. Sorry, it just went quiet, so I was like, wait, what? But I can turn that all the way down. And then the other one is a stream mix. Now this is what you guys are hearing. So I'm going to start counting 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and you can see I can still hear myself in my headphones because this is the headphone line right here, but I've changed the stream audio. So take a second and understand what just happened there, because this opens a world of possibilities for you. A great way to understand this is if I'm streaming something such as a first-person shooter and I really need to hear footsteps, but my stream doesn't really need to hear footsteps. They'd rather hear more of the background music. Let me show you just how easy it is to do it with this program. I'm gonna go over here to the Xbox audio. This is where I'm gonna get my audio. I'm gonna turn my volume level up in my headset all the way up so I can really hear footsteps. Does the stream really need to hear that much game audio? No, not that much. I'm gonna bring that down to about 50%. Okay, and then we've got our stream background music. Do I need to really hear this that much in my headphones when I'm listening for footsteps? Not really. So I can either turn this way down low, or I can actually just click right here and mute the entire channel just for my headphones. Now for the stream, they're probably gonna wanna hear a little bit more of it than I do. So I'm gonna leave this at maybe about 75%. So now if I'm playing a game, I can hear footsteps really well. I don't hear any background music, but my stream on the other hand is listening to a lower game volume and they hear the background music going on. And if I'm ever unsure saying, maybe the background music is a little too loud, but I don't know because I can't hear it in my headphones, I can simply click this right here and monitor the stream mix. And now in my headphones, I'm hearing exactly what the stream is hearing. And so I can check the volumes. Oh yeah, let's see, the music is just a little bit too loud for the stream. I'm gonna turn it down just about 10% there. Okay, let's go back to the game and we're monitoring now the headset mix. Guys, I'm telling you, this will save you so much time and headache having this program. It is absolutely amazing. You can actually set each channel for a different program. So if you need maybe this right here for my music, I have set for Spotify. My Xbox I have for my capture card. This game right here is if I'm gaming here on my PC, I have it set to whatever game I'm using there. The voice chat comes straight from Discord and from my Xbox party. So I actually have two different apps that I can feed into one channel. So depending on which one I have open, it's actually just feeding right into that audio channel. And the browser comes straight from Chrome. So maybe I'm reacting to a new game trailer live on stream. I can just pull up my YouTube or something like that on my browser, and the audio setting will be right here. I can turn it up or down in my headphones, or I can turn it up or down in the stream. And if I want to link the values, I can do that individually, or I can adjust them together just like that. Okay, and I promise I'll do a longer tutorial on how this software works, because once you get it set up, it is fantastic. And there's also shortcuts in it to make things like muting your squads comms very easy for the stream. If you need to keep listening but you want to mute what they're saying, it's super easy. You can even set it up with the Stream Deck. It is fantastic. But I'll talk more about that in a little bit. Let's talk about the reason this is so big, so important right now. The Wave 3, the microphone I use, I think has always been around $150. I believe I got it on Black Friday last year for about a $125 or $120. The Wave 1 has always been somewhere in that range, around about $100. But something big just happened. And guys, these stores are not even on Black Friday. It says this is not a Black Friday sale, so definitely check out the link right down below and see what kind of price you can get for the Wave 1, because as of right now, it's between $50 and $60. That is mind-blowing, like absolutely fantastic. I'm thinking about picking up a second mic in case I have like a podcast with someone on with me, but holy cow, 50 to 60 bucks for this fantastic mic. I always get compliments, always get compliments on the audio clarity and quality of my voice coming from my mic. And then in addition, you get this fantastic software. It is just a hands down best deal you can get on the best piece of software that you will have for your stream. So again, check out that link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it right now. If you can't find it there, be sure and check other stores like Best Buy or maybe even Walmart, Target, something like that would carry it. But holy cow, a fantastic price for a great piece of hardware and software combined. If you guys have any questions about the microphone or the software, drop a question down below in the comments. It is a fantastic mic, but even a more fantastic price. I can't say this enough. Seriously, I'm like in shock at how good of a price this is, because even like super cheap garbage, like really, you know, just McDonald's mic type of things, microphones on Amazon are like 40, 50 bucks already. So this is like a super high quality, nice, built for streamers microphone at just an incredible price. So check out the link, see what kind of price you can get for it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.